And this is the last special statement that it says the if, okay? So the else, sorry, this little statement over here. So this is pretty much the same program as before. The only difference that I included that else over there, and well, the after the if happens, which is exactly the same thing. Everything right here is exactly the same thing. So the only difference is the else, okay? So this is gonna run after the loop ends or whenever this condition is false, okay? So if we just run it as it is, let's see what happens. Let me just erase these things over here. There you go. Let's just run this and let's see. Okay, so let's analyze the output. So it runs pretty much as the previous one. It just tells us what happened. Okay, I do the addition and then I go for the after the if, then it skips. This is the skipping part. Skipping part. But then it just tells me the loop ended. Okay, let me write that in big pink. So here it tells me end. Okay, the loop is not running anymore. And then it tells me out of the loop, which is totally different. So now let's do some little exercise. What happens if I just write add bigger than 10? Well, 10, okay? The condition is not gonna run at all. By condition, I mean this lot over here. This is gonna be false from the very beginning. So it's not gonna run. So the only thing that should print is loop ended and out of the loop. And let's see what happens. Oh, there you go. So it actually worked, okay? It just told us that the loop ended and out of the loop. Why is that? Because the condition was never true, and then it just printed something that didn't depend at all from the loop. And now we're gonna do some exercises, guys.